Hi you guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Monique, and to all of my dazzles and roses, what's up? So you guys, I finally got one. I finally got one. Another computer, well, laptop rather. So my brother, before he passed, he promised me that he was going to buy me a computer, and he did. So thanks, Damo. Yeah, so I know he's happy that I know that he's happy that I went ahead and purchased this computer, because he said he was going to do it for me, and he did it, even though he didn't do it. Like, yeah, I don't want to go into details of how he did it, but he did it. That's my boy. So this is the brand computer that I have. It's a Chromebook as well. I've never ever purchased this brand. I'm gonna go ahead and open this while I talk to you guys. I've never purchased this brand. I've always have. Every time I purchased a computer, and even the last computer that he bought for me, it was an HP. So this is my first time having this brand, and I just went with what's my money, what money couldn't have afforded. So if you ever had this brand computer, go ahead and comment down below and let your girl know. You know what, I'm coming back, because this here giving me a hard time. So I'll be right after the struggle. I am back. Okay, so of course it comes with, you know, your charger. And this fits my phone. I love when the charger fits my phone too, because your girl could use that. And this cord, like, it is super duper long, so that's definitely a plus. Let's see, it comes wrapped up like this. Yep, pretty long. See, that's long already. That's long already. So, and to add this part as well, like, we almost in a whole nother room, baby. Okay, so this is the paperwork that comes with it. I know how to use a computer. Get the hell on. But I like how they package it, because it is so secure. Like, this here is, I don't think it's going to get damaged. So let's take these bad boys off of here. The color that I chose is the silver one. Ooh, very beautiful and sleek. Like I say, I have always purchased a HP. That's the only computer that I ever had, and I've never had this. I do believe my mama had this great computer, but it was just her using it. See, me, I always let my kids use it, and that's how it gets broken. Okay, but this one here, this will be the last thing that Dom will ever buy for me. Yeah, they're not freaking touching this. Ooh, look at the texture here. So I did not even notice that, but now, like, look at the texture here. Like, that is so sleek and beautiful. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, that's the back. So I'm gonna turn this around. Ooh. You know, it has, you know, your keyboard here, nice and sleek and beautiful. I did not charge this up, obviously, but most of the time it kind of comes charged a little bit. Like I said, I don't know too much about. Oh no, it's not charged up. Y'all know what I just realized? I ain't had on no lip gloss. I need to go. I mean, I ain't ugly as I am, but yeah, whatever. Y'all know what it is. My sister Rosa know what it is. Okay, so now I have it powered on, and I still have it on the charger. And I still have it on the charger here. Y'all don't subscribe to this girl? Danny Monique? Have y'all subscribed? Stop what you're doing right now. Cause it's right there on one of them sides. Y'all know that big red button. Go ahead and subscribe. So now that we have it on, I'm going to show you guys right here. And right here we have 2 speakers, which makes it pretty loud. So let's see.
The name of my company. This is what my company does. This is why I love what I do.
And that's bodiofagoddess.
I'm proud of.
Yes, it is.
This is where you can find me online.
Okay, so we got our speakers here, of course the keyboard here, and we also have our mouse here. And you know, you can navigate either from here, and also it's touchscreen, you guys. Domo, my last computer Domo got me was touchscreen, and I was like, oh, I ain't going back. I ain't going back. So now your girl got another touchscreen computer, and it's all because of Domo. So this computer also has a front camera, which I don't use. So I'm gonna need to find me a cute background that, yeah, like I said, my kids, they're not touching this computer because they disrespectful. And I don't want to have to slap nobody's child, which is my child. So anyway, I'm not sure what this cord is for because I've never used that on any of my computers. Yeah, I don't know what that is. But we have our C cord, just like my phone. Then we got your UBS cord, and you have your headphone plugs, and right here you can put in a memory card. Yay! So you guys, this is my unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know what, let me give me a thumbnail. Should I go put on some lip gloss? Nah, I ain't doing all that. Y'all know what it is. Okay, I should have a good thumbnail out of that, and if not, I'll just come back and do another one. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Your girl finally got a computer so she could do big things. Definitely if I go back to school like my brother wanted me to, I have a computer now. Like I said, my kids are not touching this. So thank you, Domo. I love you, baby, forever. Domo forever, baby. I love you. If you don't know who Domo is, that's my twin brother. He just passed on July the 21st, 2022, and it helps me cope when I talk about him. When I talk to him, it helps me cope. Like, this was the hardest thing I ever had to deal with in life, and but to be 3 weeks out, like, I'm doing good. And my boy, he wanted me to keep going on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe, because I'm pushing these videos out for you, Domo, okay? Please don't leave without liking my dish and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.